Yo guys, so today we will be learning how to add our first object into our game, and we will also learn a bit more about the functions of Unity. Alright, so let's add a floor to our game. So first you need to go to the hierarchy. You need to right click here and make a 3D object, and it will be a cube. Alright, so now a cube will appear in your scene. Press F to focus on it. Now you see this is not really a floor because it's like it's a cube, so we want it to look like a floor. So let's go to our scale and scale it up a bit. Boom. So now we have a big floor, a big cube. Our player can stand on. So now let's get to learn our functions a bit. So right now we have the hand symbol equipped. You can move around in the scene with it. If you right click, you can also view around in the scene. But now what we want is we want to move the floor a little bit more up. So how do we do this? Well, you can click this symbol, and then the 3 axes will appear. So you have the Z axis right here, which will move the object forwards and backwards. And then you have the X axis right here, which will move the object sideways. And then last but not least, you have the Y axis, which will move the object up and down. Alright, so as you can see right here, if I drag this up and down, you can see the values of the transform position changing. So look at the Y, boom. So now they're changing. Now, as you can see, these are not really nice numbers. We want this to be a round number. So let's reset our transform by right clicking on transform and then reset. Right, so now our floor has reset, but that's not what we wanted. We only wanted to reset the position, because now it's just a normal cube. So let's press Ctrl Z to undo your action. Ctrl Z. Alright. Ctrl Z will take you back one action at a time. So let's say we move it like this, and then we do it like this. So you press Ctrl Z one time, boom, and then another time, boom, and it's in its original position again. So let's change the position values to 0. You can just adjust them right here. So now it's in the middle of our scene. And yeah, this is actually what we wanted. Now, one more thing. Click on the hand symbol here. And all of these different functions, which we will get into later, have shortcuts. So the hand symbol is Q. The arrows here are W. And then there's E, R, T, and Y. So that's really easy, and you really should get to know these things, these shortcuts, because they're really easy to use. So yeah, that's what you need to do right now, guys. Add a cube to your scene and make sure the transform position is 0, 0, and 0. And then you can choose the scale. So the X, you can make this 100 if you want to. Then you would have a really big floor. And also the Z has to be 10 or 100, whatever you want. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and like the video if you found this video helpful. And I see you in the next one.